Okay, everyone, welcome to a breathtaking off-grid tiny house with a sleek modern design. Built on a sturdy modern platform and surrounded by lush greenery, the stunning retreat features a beautiful sloping roof, a white wooden exterior, and a large glass window that bring nature inside. And with its minimalist charm and peaceful settings, this tiny home is the perfect escape to tranquility. Stay tuned as we explore its unique design and cozy details. Okay, wow, just look at this beautiful tiny house interior. The first thing that stands out this is the square flat light wood ceiling, which gives the space a warm and inviting feel. The natural wood tone creates a cozy and calming atmosphere, making the entire room feel harmonious with the nature surrounding it. Unlike slope or angular ceiling, this flat ceiling adds a sense of simplicity and modern elegance to the space. Now, let's talk about the view, and a breathtaking view it is. And is the large corner window provides an incredible panoramic look at the lush green forest outside. Imagine waking up here every morning with sunlight streaming through the glass and the calming sight of trees all around. The way the house incorporates this large glass window make it feel so open and connected to the environment, almost living inside nature itself. Moving to the interior design, the walls are painted in a light hue, enhancing the airy and spacious feel of the home. And the natural tones keep the space looking fresh and modern while allowing the natural wooden elements to stand out. This combination of wood and light colors make the tiny house feel bigger than it actually is, and a smart design choice for small living space. And now let's talk about the kitchen area. Even though it's a tiny house, the kitchen is well designed, providing everything you need in a compact space. And the layout ensures that everything is within easy reach while maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. And right next to it, we have a small lounge area, complete with a table and chair, making it the perfect spot to relax, have coffee, or work remotely while enjoying the view. And the loft bed is another fantastic feature. The staircase leading up to the loft not only looks stylish but also adds convenience. No awkward ladders here. No awkward ladders here again. And the loft area itself appears cozy and private, a great little retreat within the home. With the well-placed lighting throughout the space, the entire room feels bright and well lit, and both during the day with natural light and at night with artificial lighting. And this tiny house is perfect example of modern minimalist living, blending functionality, comfort, and also stunning natural view into the incredible space. And I absolutely love how every element is thoughtfully designed to make small living feel spacious and luxurious. Okay, well, and wow, just look at this stunning tiny house bathroom. This is next level modern minimalist. For such a compact space, it managed to feel open, bright, and luxurious at the same time. Let's break down what makes this bathroom so special. First, the square flat light wood ceiling immediately gives the room a warm and natural feel. The light wood tone creates a seamless blend between the modern design and a cozy, cabin-like atmosphere unlike many tiny bathrooms that can create cramped and enclosed. This one feels open and airy, and thanks to its light color scheme and natural materials. And now, let's talk about the view and what the breathtaking view it is. And the large corner window brings in so much natural light while offering an incredible panoramic view of the lush green forest outside. And imagine taking a relaxing bath here while gazing out at the trees, pure tranquility. And the use of large glass windows not only enhance the aesthetic of space but also make it feel bigger and more open than a typical tiny house bathroom. And speaking of luxury, let's move on to the bathtub. Yes, a luxury bathtub in a tiny house bathroom. This is not something you will see every day. Many small homes sacrifice a tub for a standing shower. And but this design proves that tiny living does not have to mean compromising on comfort. The way to the tub is positioned near the window makes it the perfect spot for a relaxing soak with a nature view. And of course, the bathroom also features all the essential: a modern toilet that fits seamlessly into the space, and then a sleek wash machine or wash towel, and also the mirror, adding both function and style. And then an exhaust fan to keep everything fresh and well ventilated, and then well thought out lighting, ensuring the room is bright and inviting even at night. And what really stands out about this design is how everything is arranged so efficiently. Nothing feels cramped or out of place. Every element is thoughtfully positioned to maximize space while maintaining aesthetic appeal and comfort. This tiny house bathroom proves that small space can still feel luxurious with right design choice. And the combination of natural materials, soft color, and large window creates a space that is both functional and incredibly relaxing. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I presented just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and also the interior of the tiny home. However, this is a design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and useful inspiration about the tiny home, especially for interior of the tiny home. And what do you think, guys, about this tiny home design? Thanks for watching and thanks for enjoying this video until the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And just wait for my next incredible and stunning video about the tiny home in the next content. Thanks for watching and have a good day.